Guys, I found this beer left over from some campers and I'm totally wasted. I'm sorry I bumped the camera.
AI vlogs are exploding across the internet right now. And if you're not cashing in on this trend, you're literally leaving free money on the table. People are turning AI vlogs into cash machines, and no, they're not using cameras, mics, or actors. One creator just made $1,200 from a single 30-second AI clip. Crazy part? It was fully auto-generated. Today, I'll show you how to build the same exact type of video from scratch. Ready? Let's break it down with a viral example.
Smells good already.
Now, here's the twist. That entire video was created using Google's brand new AI animation tool, Google Flow. Yes, the whole thing, how to rebuild that clip yourself, step by step. I'm opening the exact same project I used for that viral Bigfoot fishing scene, so you can literally copy-paste each prompt and recreate it on your screen. Let me break it down. I use this 4-part formula in every clip. One subject, who's in the shot? E.g., Bigfoot is holding a fish. Don't just say monster or creature, be specific. The AI needs clarity. 2. Camera angle, the secret weapon to realism. E.g., selfie style, shot from extended arm POV. This mimics real vloggers and builds trust. 3. Environment, set the vibe. E.g., dense forest, golden hour lighting, cinematic haze. These details control the mood and atmosphere. 4. Dialogue. Yes, include voice in the prompt. E.g., he says, "Hey guys, today we're catching fish." This tells the AI what the character should say and how. Pro tip, never say vlogging camera. That triggers weird outputs like floating GoPros and ghost tripods. Here's the secret trick pros use. Inside Google Flow, click Add to Scene, then jump into the visual timeline. At the end of each clip, save a clean frame as an asset. Now, drag that asset into the next prompt. This locks the character's posture, style, even facial vibe, smooth AF transitions. This is how you make AI characters feel alive, not just random generations stitched together. Most noobs skip this. Pros never do. And here's where the real money starts flowing. AI vlog. Monetization. Breakdown. Post short-form versions on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, drive views. Add voiceover commentary, AI or human. Convert to long-form, promote digital products below. Ebooks, templates, Notion packs. Use Amazon influencer links, for example, top 5 AI tools I use. Build traffic, build trust, and watch brand deals roll in. This is how Faceless AI creators are making $3,000 and are $10,000 plus per month on autopilot. Back to prompts. What if you want to extend the scene? Instead of jumping to a new action, describe a transitional movement. E.g., Bigfoot stands up from the log and walks toward the lake, still holding the fish. The AI understands micro-movement logic if you stack it well. Want cinematic tension? Use modifiers like moody lighting, tight close-up on expression. Camera slowly pans left as character turns head. These little cues can 10x the emotional pull of your video. Let's recap the golden prompt formula. Subject, action, camera, angle, environment, dialogue. Get all 5 right, and your video will feel like Netflix content. Miss even one? You get broken physics, glitchy faces, spaghetti arms aka AI spaghetti. And yes, there's a bonus hack if you want to add emotion. Use this secret one-liner in your prompt. Dramatize the mood for emotional depth. That single line adds tension, cinematic framing, facial nuance, and voice tonality automatically. And if you're posting content for engagement, here's a viral formula. Hook the viewer, build suspense in the middle, drop a visual twist, end on an emotional punchline. E.g., fish escapes, Bigfoot cries, cue sad music engagement. Final tips. Use Google Flow's 11 labs for realistic voice ad, CapCut motion blur and zooms for polish. Use Pixel Lab for thumbnails with big, bold text and a character close-up. You are literally one viral AI vlog away from turning this into a full-time online income stream. And in my next video, I'm breaking down the exact prompt that triggered 5M views in 2 days. How I automated 90% of my vlog channel with zero editing. The best AI tools stack for long-form storytelling. Subscribe so you don't miss it.